Paintenance Melbourne presents How to Spray Paint Interior Walls. Want an alternative to painting your walls with a roller and brushes? You might consider spray painting. So why choose spray painting? Well, it's tough to beat the smooth surface of a sprayed on paint finish. You have a bit more control over the finished paint job, and spray painting can be the fastest way to paint large areas. The downsides are that there is more preparation involved with spray painting, the techniques are harder to master, and you'll need more equipment. It's also easy to overspray, so preparation is everything. Preparing your walls for interior spray painting. Spray paint is thinner than paint you apply with a roller. You should fill all cracks and uneven spots in your walls so they're perfectly smooth and won't stand out after you've spray painted your walls. Spray painting equipment. Besides an airless spray gun, you will need a respirator or gas mask, eye protection such as goggles, long-sleeved clothes, long pants, head covering, drop sheets, masking tape, as well as plastic and plastic bags. Prepare your room for interior spray painting. Whatever you don't want painted in the room, you need to mask. Cover the floors, light switches, skirting boards, windows and doors, sealing off doorways and door jamb edges. Move furniture out of the room if possible. Then move any remaining furniture to the middle of the room and cover it completely. Allow plenty of space for your tools and equipment. Cover yourself. You'll need to cover and protect yourself while doing interior spray painting. You should wear old clothes with long sleeves and long pants. Put on old shoes or sneakers, wear a hat, and use safety goggles. A gas mask or respirator is recommended to cover your mouth and nose. Using a spray gun. Make sure you understand how to fill the spray gun with paint, how to adjust the paint nozzle, and how to thin the paint to the right consistency. Practice on a piece of scrap cardboard or plywood, for example. Practice spray painting so that you can work out the correct distance to spray and stick to that distance while painting. Set the sprayer in motion before squeezing the trigger. Then release it before stopping when you reach the end of a pass. Hold the spray gun about 250 to 300 millimeters from the wall and spray in smooth, even sweeps. Move your whole arm to ensure even coverage rather than bending at the wrist. More interior spray painting tips. To avoid patchiness, don't stop until the entire wall is covered. Spray the outer edges of the wall first, banding the area that you will spray and cutting in any corners. For inside corners, aim the spray tip directly into the corner so it overlaps both sides. When you have finished the corners, stand in one area and move at a steady pace. Keep spraying as far as you can reach with the spray gun at a 90-degree angle. When you move to the next part of the wall, overlap vertically and horizontally. This will help you get an even coat of paint on the walls. Spray around the windows and doors first, then spray the remaining flat areas using overlapping strokes. Repeatedly spray paint down the walls, pointing the spray gun tip at the edge of the previous pass and overlap by 1/3 to 50%. Just as you would do if using a roller and brush, you'll need to let the paint dry and do a second coat. Cleaning up. Allow significant time for the paint to dry before removing masking tape. This will result in crisp, clean lines. Remove all coverings from furniture and other areas. Replace any lighting fixtures that you removed and move furniture or other items back into place. Make sure you clean your airless spray gun after each use. Follow the directions in the user's manual. Interior spray painting for faster, superior results. For a skilled painter, it can be much faster to spray paint interior walls than using a roller and a brush. Preparation and practice are essential for optimal results. Once you get your pacing and rhythm right, you can learn to spray paint interior walls quickly and with precision. You might even find you prefer this method to standard roller and brush painting. Or you could leave it to the professionals. If spray painting your walls and other areas like ceilings, stairs, fences, woodwork and cabinetry sounds like way too much time and trouble to master, then go with the pros. Paintenance Melbourne is a leader in spray painting. We use the latest equipment and cutting-edge techniques to suit a wide range of paint jobs. Our expert spray painting delivers flawless, mirror-like finishes in a fraction of the time that more traditional painting methods would take. Contact us today for a free quote or to discuss how your next painting job might benefit from our advanced spray painting services. We hope that you enjoyed this video. You can read the full blog post at www.paintenancemelbourne.com.au.